What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, and you know I'm checking back with another video, and your boy done popped out. See, I've been kind of getting back on my YouTube stuff because I kind of been, you know, a little slacking, but not slacking, but I just been busy. So I pulled up on my boy Reek in the Inktown Ryders, this a 6th annual car show. And your boy had to pull a dirty Sprite out, but now I'm out here. I'm about to take y'all through some of these cars and these whips, let y'all see what's out here. Y'all know I'm about to keep that content coming, so yeah, y'all see what it is back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check these whips out.
Y'all need something cold to drink? Go to the right of the DJ booth. You need something to eat? Go along behind us or in front of the DJ booth, far back there. Go get you something to eat and drink. All kind of drinks right here.
Y'all see it.
Right now, y'all welcome to pull up in this lane. Just show your vehicle. There's no competition.
That might look good.
Just show us what you got. We respect it while supplies last. I got about 500 bottles of hand sanitizer. I got some water.
That's Regal clean.
Just for pulling up, that's what you get.
I like this Regal.
But shortly it'll be all about them belts
over
there. Bring one of them belts over here.
Damn, looking at the interior.
Bring about 2 of them, different colors.
Oh yeah, this interior serious. Yeah, I like that interior.
Out, man. Bring
Definitely thumbs up whoever the owner is.
On
Yeah, I'm all nice. We're gonna try to avoid the copyright. Y'all already know. Yeah. Make sure you go follow my dog Pat for sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this mud low. Look how that mud's sitting low to the ground. Super low. Let's go.
Park where you want to park. Everybody can't do that. You can park where you want to park, bro. You want to park in front of...
How you feeling? Appreciate it. You know me getting out. Oh, for real?
Yeah, they was just calling you.
Oh. Okay. I'm about to come up there. I know it look good, don't it?
Southern car. So it's all nice at the bottom. Yeah.
Good. Look at that detail on there. Take him back that way. Yeah, that's a clean LS swap. Man, this might look good. Clean. Love that interior. That interior look good. Nice and clean. Yeah. What's going on? Y'all know I love me some Impalas. Y'all see it. What's going on? Chillin'? Yeah. That smell look good. Sitting down. Good, clean, low riders. Shout out to my dog Tito. This one looks good. Cleanest Magnum in the world, man. When I say you can eat off this mug, that's mug super clean. Oh, here come the copyright music, so I ain't gonna be able to keep going with the copyright. That boy's clean. Yeah. Oh, look good. That's a nice clean wrap. Yeah. Shout out my dog Al. What's up? Clean. Yeah. What's going on, my dog? What's the deal? How you feeling? I see you got this clean joint out here. Yeah. Man, at first I wasn't gonna do it, but I was like, they like, come on, Deke, stop playing. I'm like, all right. Yeah, I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stop playing and I'm gonna go ahead and bring it. So I brought it up there. Yeah, I know, right? I got out here late anyways because I wasn't even trying to burn up.
I'm ready for the 13th.
Hey, it's going down. What I say? Hey, what I say? We about to talk, man. That boy's still going crazy. I still keep seeing it pop up. People be sharing it. They like, Meek, man. They like, bro, why you gonna end the summer like that? I'm like, hey, shoot. Yeah, because it's gonna be bigger and better next year. Yeah. Super clean. This one nice. I like this. Clean Buick. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that mother look good. Don't. Probably a 75 with the bumper guard. This mother's so clean. I like this. This mother's super clean. Clean. Okay. Clean 95. Nice. It's clean. Clean. Not bad. Yeah, that one not bad. Clean. That mother look good.
There you go.
Yeah, that mother clean.
Hey, bro, you get me right over there.
Yeah. I just was looking at it. That boy nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. I like it. Clean. This one got 72, y'all. Look how clean this mug. That mug look good. Look at the paint on this mug. Yeah, that paint's something serious. Yes, sir. And got the replica car in there. Y'all see it? Yeah, this is one of my favorites. Yeah, for sure one of my favorites this year so far. Yeah, ooh, that mother look good. Wide body wheels.
educator, bro. For real. Come here. Come here. Say this again. This is how I learn.
Look at that.
Hold on. This is where we start.
They got that monster in there. Okay.
Now hold on. We gonna get this. Hold on. I'm gonna let you talk to him. Watch this, y'all.
Hey, ECL with the offset in the back is deep. That shit probably
Oh yeah, that's crazy work. Excuse me.
Say it one more time.
That's crazy work.
No, say the whole thing again.
ECL is not the same as the normal 40. You gotta, that shit made it come off the lip. It's not them lip.
That's why I said before you look at the back rim, you starting at 5,000 with no tire.
Now we got the front room.
Now you at the front rim.
Even more because he got ECL on top of the concave, bro.
Whoa, say it again.
ECL concave.
Golly.
That's a different bag, bro.
That's a different bag. Hey, the mailman is here. Salute, dog. Go ahead, park where you want to park. Right now, you can park where you want to park. 7 miles out. Whoa. That must sound like it's a stick shift. God damn. That must sound like a stick shift.
There's some whips out here, y'all. Some nice, good quality whips.
Inktown Ryders Car Club.
Shout out to my dog Russ, neighborhood superstar. This mother so clean. Y'all don't see too many body styles like this. Y'all see that? That's the car doctor. And to let y'all know, this is the owner of this. This is a female owner. What's going on? How you doing? Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see that detail on that inside.
Look at these things.
Big 28. Ooh, 28 stagger. Okay. Debo looking good. I'm gonna look good. Debo hands on, he be getting to it. Yeah, see it. Look at that LS swap. They got that beast in here. Yeah, that must look good. Okay, shout out my dog Nudie, Antfo. That baby, that orange. Yeah, I see that orange. And that boy got an LS swap in that joint. Y'all see it? My dog with that swap. Yeah. Shout out my dog Nude. Yeah. Thunderbird, man, T-Bird. This mother look good. Super clean. That's what I'm talking about. Classic. Nice, I like it. Beautiful. That one look good. This mother clean. You don't see too many of this body style. Yeah, oh yeah. Jesus, this mug so clean. Man, this T-Type Regal, this mug is immaculate. Yeah, buddy. That mug look good. 1. I don't see too many of them Mach 1 bodies. And got the model. That one dope. Oh yeah, nice. This Apollo over here look good sitting on them gold things. Huh? Yeah. I'm about to come over here. These gold boys. Yeah, this one clean. I ain't gonna lie to you. This one right here, woo. This Malibu right here, a problem. And this mug a runner. Alright, y'all, your boy Motor City Neek about to tap out, man. I took y'all through some of the whips. I let y'all check out some of them dope rides and them dope cars. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. You know me. I'm back pushing the content out. I'm back on my grind. Y'all already know. Ooh, Big Dirty Sprite. But yeah, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know. Get down with your boy John, the Motor City crew. Support is everything. I support me. So once again, this your boy Motor City Neek. Checking out with another video. Holla at y'all.